Okay, it's day 3, week 8, homework help. Let's get started. First problem, it says, if 3 pieces of candy cost $2.10, how much would 4 pieces cost? All right, well, I'm going to set this up with equal rates, and I'm going to run into a problem. So let me start with $2.10 for 3 pieces, and I have to figure out what 4 pieces cost. The problem is 3 doesn't go into 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the unit price first. So I'm going to figure out what 1 piece cost. Then when I have the price of 1 piece, I can figure out 4 pieces. So to figure out the unit price, I'm going to figure out what 1 piece cost. And to do that, I know 3 divided by itself is 1. So I will do 210 divided by 3, and I get 70 cents. Comes out 0.7 on your calculator, but you know it's money, so it's 70 cents. So 1 piece of candy cost 70 cents. Now that I have that, I can figure out what 4 pieces cost by multiplying by 4. So that get me 4 pieces, and 70 cents times 4, if you type it in, comes out to 2.8, but remember, add your 0, and you get your answer of $2.80. All right. Next one, it says write 12 thousandths as a percent and as a fraction in simplest form. First thing I'm going to do is change it to a percent. Remember, deep. It's a decimal. To change it to a percent, I move my decimal twice to the right. Now, if I take this decimal twice to the right, it's going to be between the 1 and the 2, so my percent is 1.2%. Now, to get my fraction, remember the steps. Say it, write it, reduce it. So I'm going to start by saying the decimal, which is 12 thousandths. Then I'm going to write that as a fraction, 12 thousandths. And then I'm going to reduce it. And you could type it in the calculator, or you could divide each one by 4, and you get 3 250ths. And that's your fraction in simplest form. So we have my percent and my fraction, and both problems are done. I hope that helped, ladies and gentlemen, so ask me any other questions you might have in class. Thanks.